In today's video I will remove the whole center console, get rid of all the silver parts, redo all the upholstery and start to change the interior lighting's color to white. Of course, first you will have to remove either the DSG Shiftknob or the normal manual one. I've linked some good videos in the description to the process of removing both. Start by removing the compartment in front of your gear knob and unplug any switches. Remove the two screws underneath, the one behind the up compartment, the one under the gear knob's cover and the four other ones. Don't forget to unplug the 12-volt outlet and the airbag light. Next up, the cup holder screws. And then remove the inlay of the armrest compartment and unclip the rear vents. After a few more screws, undo the main center console bolts on both sides. After unplugging the rear 12-volt outlet, you can pull out the back piece and remove the center console. With a few more screws, you can also remove the inner framing. The armrest is attached with those two bolts. After pushing the padded piece out to the top, pull out the shafts of the sliding mechanism and pull apart the remaining plastic covers of the mechanism. Then the center console got painted with MIPE protector, just like all the other interior trims. I reinstalled the inner framing and the air channels, including my custom ones, which originally came out under the front seats towards the rear, now doubling the heating in the front. Got the handbrake, the armrest and the leather parts of the shift knob redone by a professional. Put the center console's main piece back in and glued this cup holder in place and fill the gaps, as I can't use it anyway. After painting, I put the armrest back together and reinstalled it. I added an additional USB port by using the plug that originally powered the 12-volt outlet. After that, I reinstalled the upper part of the center console and moved onto the shift knob. I changed the original red diodes for some white ones, got the side padding wrapped in real leather and spray painted all the silver stuff black. anyone wonders what these USB parts are for, I intended on using them for charging phones, as a wireless charging pad would have been too big for that compartment. But it turns out they are meant to be used for data transfer only, as the actual plus and minus cables are very thin. I wasn't able to find an alternative that fit in the original slots. To finish off my center console conversion, I added some blends to my additional air outlets in the footwell. In the next episode I will conquer the dashboard and try to bring it into new glory. Cheers.